Hello smart business owners and marketers. In the last episode, we have learned how to integrate Google Analytics with your website with a Google Tag Manager. So, in this episode, we will learn about the structure of Google Analytics 4. So, how it's structured and how it's work. So, gets started. If you see the dashboard of Google Analytics, so in the top menu you can find a drop down where you can have the account details. So how many account you have access and their properties name. So you see this is Test Analytics is the account name and Test Property is our property name. And here you can see uh, just beside the property name you find a search menu. Here you can search anything, so we will discuss later about this. And in the um, right side you can see my account name, and here the question mark is help entry menu, and the four dot is Swiss product. So if you click on this, then you can see Google marketing platforms. Under this you can see that is analytics and tag manager. You can easily switch between these accounts. And in the left side you can see total four menus here. One is home, another is reporting, explore, and advertising. So we will all discuss each and every point in the consecutive videos. So just right now you see this 4 point, and if you come in the left bottom, then you can see a admin. So if I hit on this setting marks, then you can see there is lot of other menus. So first you see in the left side, that is admin, and under admin you can see this thing is here, that is account details, access management, then account changing. And under this property setting you can see this the property setting, all of this thing here. And under property you can see many things, property details, property access management, property change history. That means if you change that, then it will be there. And property data API, quota history, and schedule emails, and data collection. And under modification you can see data stream, data collection, data import, data retention, data filter, data deletion request, and consent setting. And data under the data display you can see the event, network setting, audience, annotation, comparison, segment, custom definition, reporting, and debug view. So if we start from here, so we can go in the home menu, and you can see here is active user. If you click the drop down, there you can see lot of other parameters and lot other things here. So we'll discuss all of this thing step by step. And under the reporting section you can see total reporting snapshot and real time, and real time pages. Under business objective is generate lead, drive sales, and understanding web and analytics. And uh, under this you will see another one is user uh, attributes and tech. And on the last one is the library. And in the explore menu we can explore new reporting under this free form, funnel exploration, path exploration, or in the black reports, blank exploration. That means you can do whatever you need as a custom demand. And under the fourth one is the advertising. So in under advertising we can see advertising data. So right now we don't have configured this setting, so data is not available. So in the next video we will start how to we will start from the beginning, and discuss everything in depth so that you have a clear understanding. Thank you.